Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through fixing Twitch echo or audio delay so your stream sounds clear and synchronized. First, check your streaming software and make sure you're not capturing the same audio twice, like desktop audio and game capture both picking up sound. Next, reduce monitoring or preview playback volume to avoid feedback loops. Make sure your microphone isn't too close to your speakers and use headphones if possible. Adjust audio sync settings in your software if your mic or game audio is delayed. Close background apps that use audio, like music players or communication apps. Also, check for multiple audio tracks and ensure only one is active for each source. Finally, test with a short recording or private stream to confirm audio is aligned. These steps usually remove echo and delay, giving your Twitch stream clean, professional sound. Subscribe the channel for more videos.